Meiosis is the cool older cousin of mitosis, the one who kept getting completely wasted on weekends at college, but still somehow graduated and then did nothing with their degree and now works as a janitor, but still somehow has the money and popularity to keep throwing those weekend parties. And just like you and your cool older cousin, mitosis and meiosis start out the same way. Interphase! The cells grow and duplicate their DNA, all while doing all their other jobs because cells are as overachieving as a gifted kid before their high school burnout. Now is when they split. Most body cells devoting time to their studies and forsaking human contact. Ha! Nerd! While the reproductive cells start living their best lives. During prophase, two homologous chromosomes bond and share information called crossing over, which is also probably how meiosis passes exams to actually get that degree. During metaphase, those homologous pairs line up two across the center of the cell and are separated by spindle fibers, just like at the first college dance you went to without having anyone to actually dance with. Once each side is in its own little mosh pit, anaphase begins and the social barriers start forming, also known as new nuclei. Finally, in telophase, the two nuclei go to different afterparties and you lose contact with the other homologous chromosome because you're now in two different cells. Okay, we're done now, right? I mean, they made new cells and... Wrong! You thought you could get your degree with just one semester? You got another 3.5 years of this, bucko! Sorry about that. In meiosis 2, your cousins found a partner they won't shut up about and doesn't seem to have time for you anymore. Metaphase 2 starts with each chromosome lining up in the center and... Oh, shoot, there's a breakup after only 3 months, and one of them is probably ghosting the other. And no, I'm not still salty, shut up! And the spindle fibers pull apart the sister chromatids, except sometimes the relationship actually lasts, and just like with a college relationship that leads to marriage, the refusal to separate ends up causing more problems than it's worth. Both from the kids, funnily enough. Anyway, anaphase 2 and telophase 2 end up pretty similar to the original, with the nuclei forming and the cells splitting, just like when your cousin and their ex's friend group split down the middle as a result of the breakup. Fun times!